is where we're hunting.
Yeah, that's what I told you. I set a blind up behind the house.
We're 15 yards from the house.
Yeah, but pigs are coming in. I've been showing you pictures of pigs.
Your kid's jungle gym is right here.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you gotta trust me, man. We're gonna kill a pig.
Karen's watering her flowers right there.
Karen waters her flowers every day.
Let's hunt.
Yeah, it's the mom with the little ones. Probably about, I'd say 50 yards in the woods. They're coming straight here to get ready.
Was it high?
No, I think you're good. I think you're good. She's definitely gonna die.
Oh yeah.
I think you're good.
22 yards.
That's it. And he's
No
still
way.
dribbling the basketball.
Still dribbling the basketball. The backyard pig kill.
I told you, man.
I would have never thought that.
I know you would
No
have.
way.
You're still in your Crocs. You wouldn't even put boots on for me.
Shit.
Now you got to track her and find her in your Crocs. You can't take them off.
Oh, that's fine.
And look, 22 yards you said?
Yeah, 22 yards, so that means we're 32 yards from your house. That's what that means right there.
Well, it's about 37 from the house from here. I've ranged it a couple times.
God.
But
Did they go through here?
yeah, she went right through here. So let's get on blood. And you got a track in your Crocs.
Oh yeah. Hound dog.
You didn't believe me.
I'm a hound dog.
Yeah, I got blood coming all the way out here, Britton. You see it? See blood?
I got the pig.
You got a pig?
Yep. Yeah, baby.
Where's pig?
Right here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Lost your Croc, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh man, look at here. Dude, that's a
Oh yeah, baby.
That's a 100-pound sow.
Yeah. Good pig, man.
Yeah, buddy. Awesome shot. That's awesome. Man. What do you think?
Good pig.
Good pig, man. You didn't believe me. Kids playing basketball.
12 yards from the house.
There's a pile of them back here, man. That was a good one to get out.
Oh yeah.
And it's fun too, ain't it?
Oh yeah, too much fun. Too much fun.